Hey y'all, so we're back. So the only thing that's not gonna be drugstore out of this, I don't even call it it's a review and also a tutorial, is my primer. So I always start with the Glam Glow Starter. It's like a luminizing lotion type of thing, but I feel like it works well for me. And my mascara. My mascara is, as usual, my Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir. I know I mentioned on my Instagram how I was going to be trying out the Beauty Blender. And I ended up going back and returning it for two reasons. One, I bought the wrong color, which y'all know I'm notorious for doing. But two, I was so caught up in the hype of actually like, damn, Beauty Blender is finally releasing. What is this? Okay, I'm back. But I was so caught up in the hype of actually like, damn, Beauty Blender has launched a product other than a Beauty Blender, that I didn't even realize when looking at their color range, they don't have a very big color range as far as like for brown skin. We like buying makeup to beauty brands and we would appreciate it and shop your brand more if we had something to buy. I just feel like it would be a disservice to all my fellow brown girls out there. I can show it to y'all. So if you find your shade good, great for you, girl. And I wasn't too hyped about the packaging either, to be honest with you. So anyways, I decided to try a product that I heard Shayla, she's been talking about it for a while. It is the Maybelline Superstay foundation, and I believe it's matte too. I think this is a matte stick formula. So it comes like this. Let me put the top on. It comes like this. So it has like a little applicator sponge on the other end with, which I'm probably not going to use, to be like completely honest with you. And then the other end, of course, is the foundation. The color I got was Mocha 360. This wasn't the best color range, but it's better. One thing off the rip that I'm like, excuse me, is the amount of product. It is only $11, so it's not like a $40, $50 foundation, but I'm like, Maybelline, you could maybe get a little bit more, maybe double that. That would be nice. I'm going to use a Real Techniques blending brush. It's called the Expert Perfector. Oh, I like how this blends out. It blends out very nicely. Okay, so it blends out very nicely. That's the one thing I was always pretty nervous with stick foundations, and it doesn't feel heavy either. We're going to color correct. I feel like color correcting is kind of like, I won't say on its way out, but I don't see as many people talking about it, or as many companies like coming out with like color correcting products. Right now, I feel like everyone is coming out with like a new foundation. So to conceal, I'm going in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Because I have more of like an angular, like triangle face shape. So I feel like for me it looks best to bring it out. Kind of sweeps everything right on it. I'm going to set it all with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I don't really bake, I just work the product into my skin. Make sure like everything is like blended in and there's no creases, because if there's a crease when you put the powder on, pull off as much excess as you can, you're gonna just basically be setting a crease. Now we're gonna do our brows, which we are going to fast forward through. So if you want to see how I fully fill my brows, then click the link that should be popping up now. My ColourPop by Shayla, or Shayla by ColourPop Perception palette. I really haven't gotten into this palette like too much. Like I haven't used it that much. That's why I decided to use it today. So to start, I'm gonna go in with Culture. This is a Morphe 518 brush, and I'm just using Culture in my crease. So I'm gonna go with Played Out. I'm still using the same brush. Played Out is like a nice brown. Make sure you tap off any excess so you don't get lots of fallout. Should we do September? Ooh, September is we're going out with September. On the lids. Pick up Played Out and run this right along my lower lash line. Have y'all tried this chili mango from Trader Joe's? I don't know how I like it, to be honest with you. I'm just eating it because I bought it. Here we go. LA Girl Pro Conceal. We're gonna throw this on our cheeks to contour. So I'm gonna use my Black Radiance Soft Focus Powder, and this is the Real Techniques buffing brush. This is Makeup Revolution, their Vivid Shimmer Brick and Bronze Kiss. If you're looking for something that's similar to the Bobbi Brown Shimmer Bricks, this is your go-to. It literally looks like just like it. I used to have one that I broke, and it looks just like this. So I'm gonna use the ColourPop Fitness and Talk today by Shayla and Pose. I think I'm gonna put this Unbothered color. Yeah, I like this. Unbothered. Now we are going to apply our eyeliner. I told y'all how in my last video, my favorites, how I've been loving the Fenty ColourPop setting powder. I actually really like the setting powder. For my lips today, I'm just doing a simple gloss. So I'm gonna go in and line my lips. And that's it, y'all. We are done. That is my look for today. The foundation, I actually really like it. I like how it wears. I feel like it matches my skin tone like exactly. And for us to be a stick foundation, it blended a lot better than I thought it would. Like, it was literally like butter. Like, it blended so well into my skin. So I'm really happy about that. Overall, I like the formula of the foundation. And they have a decent color range. It's not amazing. Better than having 30 something and then only like 7 are for brown people. Tea. If you like this video, make sure you thumbs up. As usual, I will link everything below in this video that I use. And don't forget to subscribe. Like, if you're here, that means you made it to the end of this video and you liked it enough to keep watching all the way through. So subscribe. And you guys, we are at 400 and something subscribers, and my offer still stands. As soon as we get to 500, I will be doing a giveaway. So get on it, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.